Get ready with me dahil today ay Pamper Day at Nook Salon and Pet Empire kasama sina Likha at Mithi. It's time to get their vaccines at kailangan na rin natin silang ipag-groom. To be honest, hindi ko nga alam kung paano masasurvive tong araw na to kasi extra hassle kasi kapag kasama mo yung pusa sa lakad mo. Pero syempre, as a fur parent, it is my responsibility to bring them to the veterinary clinic on a regular basis to provide the necessary care and treatment na kailangan nila. Meron silang branch sa Shaw Mandaluyong, katabi lang sila guys ng Nook Salon. And what I really like about them is that guys, Pet Empire offers grooming, pet hotel, minor and major operations, and pharmacy. They have it all for your pets. Plus, the staff and doctors are all accommodating and well-trained. Kaya siguradong maaalagaan ng maayos ang inyong mga pets.
Lunch lang tayo already. Good.
Buti na lang behave at good job kayong dalawa, Likha at Mithi. Kaya